Tonight, you join us down at Jomtien night market, where you can buy all the knockoff clothes, smellies, trinkets, all that sort of good stuff. But the best part, the food. The food down here is absolutely heavy, top drawer. And that's what we come for. Just been bit by a mozzie on the back of the leg. Mint. Anyhow.
Hard, play hard, that's the only way. I'ma live my
Tune! This is just one line of the food. It's like, you just don't know what to choose. Oh, look at the duck. Ribs, beef, Saudi carp. Oh, the choices. There's bars and everything. Great market, this. Right, it's time to start ordering instead of wandering about. The woman I normally get the baked potatoes off isn't here, so I'll have to go back around the other side to get them off somebody else. Saudi carp. One with cheese. Cheese, yeah. Do you have a large? Yeah. Get me jack potato with cheese. Telling you, it's proper scram down here. And cheap. Up and carp. There we go. That's a tatty. Time to get some meats to go with it. A bit of protein. Oh, do I get a duck? I don't know. Go get some chicken skewers, I think. Get myself a couple of chicken skewers. 30 baht each. There we go, in a bag. 60 baht. Cup and carp. Might get some more meat as well. Getting some grilled beef. Got ribs, chicken.
Spicy?
A little bit, yeah. Cup and carp. Back to the table. And get eaten. I tell you what, mate, this is the hottest I've ever been this holiday. The temperature just kind of went, and I'm not sure if it's because of this monsoon thing that's supposed to be coming. It could be what's in front of that. So anyhow, that's another look at Jomtien Night Market here in Pattaya. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, share, do all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job. Time for a swirl. Woo!